Hello guys, hope you're doing good. And I've come up with something new and interesting in Excel. So, do you know that we can play games in Excel? We can actually create games in Excel. And today I'm going to show you how I've created this amazing game in Excel, which is everyone's favorite. So, do you remember this Tic-Tac-Toe game which we used to play in school time? And let's see how we can play this in Excel. So there's a x over here. I will put a 0, and again x. Let us put a 0 again, or a O, whatever you call it. We can put x here, and I'll block it by putting the O. And you can see, oh, I wanted to put a O here. Yeah, and now I will make X as a winner. So X wins, and it has taken 7 steps. So this is all designed in Excel. Just wanted to show you how powerful this tool is. If you want to play again, you can just click on play again, and everything will be cleaned up, and you can start again and enjoy this wonderful game. So if you really like this, what you see on the screen, do subscribe to my channel and look for new interesting videos like this. And if you want to get the code behind this, how I did this, then drop your comment in the chat box and I will share you the file as well as the code. Thank you. Thanks for watching.